Hello students, you welcome in our YouTube channel Vivekananda Academy of Learning. So students, today we are going to discuss and learn about very most IMP topic of BA semester 1 and BSc semester 1's compulsory paper, and the topic is The Open Window, the story which is written by H.H. Munro. So in this video we are going to discuss and learn about some MCQs which is related to this unit. So friends, if you are new on our YouTube channel, please do subscribe and press bell icon so that you can get notification from our channel. Okay friends, and also we have uploaded other videos related to this subject and other subjects as well. So friends, let's get started. Question 1. My aunt will be down presently. In this sentence, presently means, so the answer is soon enough. Next question. Frampton Nuttall was being treated for, answer is A, nerve cure. Next question. Nuttall had, in the words of his sister, so the answer is C, not enough faith. Next question. There had been sufficient silent communication between Frampton and, so the answer is Frampton and Vera. Next question. Vera spoke of a greatly tragedy which happened when, answer is C, Frampton's sister had left the village. Next question. Vera said the windows was kept open because her aunt believed that her husband, answer is A, would walk in through it. Next question. Frampton was horrified by what Mrs. Stapleton said because, answer is B, of the impact on his mind of Vera's lie. Next question. He was once hunted into a cemetery somewhere on the banks of the blanks by a pack of dogs. So the answer is A, Ganges. Next question. Who was Frampton about to have a collision with? Answer is C, cyclist. Next question. In bracket, and one of them was additionally burned with a blanks hung over his shoulders. So the answer is A, white coat. Next question. Why was the child looking through the window with dazed horror in her eyes? So the correct answer is D, both B and C, means she was Mrs. Stapleton's husband's and two brothers coming, and she was afraid that everyone would come to know about her made up story. So B and C both will be the answer. Next question. Did they appear to Mrs. Stapleton's as they were moody up to the eyes? So the answer is no. Next question. What suddenly caught Mrs. Stapleton's attention? So the answer is B, her husband and three brothers. Next question. Was Frampton aware that her hostess was giving him only a fragment of her attention? So the answer is yes. Next question. That is why the window is kept open every evening till it is quiet, then blank. So the answer is dusk. Next question. How has the niece been described? So the answer is self-possessed. Next question. You may wonder why we keep that window wide open on an blank. So the answer is October. October afternoon. Next question. An undefinable something about the room seemed to suggest blank habitation. So the answer is masculine. Next question. How many years ago did his sister stay in the country? So the answer is B 4. Next question. Why had he come to the country? So the answer is C for nerve cure. Next question. What was the niece's name? So the answer is Vera. Next question. Who is the writer of the lesson The Open Window? So the answer is H. Munro. Next question. How old was the niece? So the answer is C 15. Next question. Did Frampton Nuttall know her aunt personally? So the answer is no. Next question. What did his sister give him? So the answer is D. Letter of introduction to people. Next question. Question number 26. What did he say when the niece asked, do you know many of the people around here? So the answer is D. Hardly anybody. Next question. An undefinable something about the room seemed to suggest blank habitation. So the answer is A. Masculine. Next question. When did her tragedy happen? So the answer is C. 3 years ago. Next question. Who all went for shooting? So the answer is all of the above. Means A. Mrs. Stapleton's husband, Mrs. Stapleton's true brother, and C. Spaniel. Means all of the above. Next question. What was the name of Mrs. Stapleton's younger brother? So the answer is B. Ronnie. Next question. Frampton Nuttall had come for a. Answer is B. Rural treatment. Next question. What did the doctors not agree on? So the answer is C. Frampton's diet. Next question. What were Mrs. Stapleton's family just in time for? So the answer is D. Tea. Next question. Frampton shrieked slightly and turned towards the niece with a look intended to convey blank's comprehension. So the answer is D. Sympathetic. Next question. In the deepening twilight, three figures were walking across the lawn towards the window. They all cried blank under their arms. So the answer is B. Guns. Carried guns under their arms. Next question. What is the name of the aunt in the story? So the answer is A. Mrs. Stapleton. Next question. How did Frampton know the aunt? So the answer is C. His sister had been there before. Next question. The aunt's husband went out with. So the answer is C. Her brothers. Next question. Where did the men go? So the answer is D. Hunting. For hunting. Next question. Vera explains that Frampton is afraid of dogs because of what happened to him in. Answer is B. India. Next question. Why does Vera say Nuttall fled their home? So the answer is B. He was afraid of the spaniel. Next question. According to Vera, what has become of Mrs. Stapleton's husband and two younger brothers? So the answer is B. They drowned in a bog. Next question. Why is the window open? Means why was the window open? So C. In hope the missing people return. In hope the missing people will return. Next question. Bush's specialty is inventing thrilling stories. So the answer is whereas. Next question. Who gave the author letters of introduction? So the answer is B. His sister. Next question. Which disease did the author suffer from? So the answer is A. Bad nerves. Next question. Question number 48. Why did Frampton wish out widely? So the answer is C. He feared that the three people were ghosts. Next question. What were the men carrying in their hands? So the correct answer is A. Guns. Next question. What was the name of Stapleton's youngest brother? So the answer is C. Ronnie. This question is repeated. Next question. What is the name of Mrs. Stapleton's niece? So the correct answer is B. Vera. Next. Why does Frampton flee from the house? Because he believes he has seen a ghost. Next question. Where did Frampton's sister used to work? So the answer is D. The rectory. Next question. According to Vera, where are the bodies of the drowned hunting party? So the correct answer is D. They were never found recovered. Next question. What does the hunting party hunt? So the answer is B. Duck. It is quite easy. Next question. What kind of dog do the men bring hunting with them? So the answer is B. Spaniel. Next question. Who does Frampton speak with when he first enters the house? So the answer is A. Vera. Next question. According to Vera, the hunting tragedy occurred during what season? So the answer is A. In winter. Next question will be in next part. So students, thank you for watching our videos, and again I am telling you, if you are new on our YouTube channel, please subscribe and press bell icon so that you can get notification of our each and every videos, and especially the news related to HNGU University and other universities as well. So subscribe our channel. Bye students.